Welcome to Autodesk Vault for Inventor and AutoCAD users. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Vault and PDM. With the completion of our course, clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the course. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access Vault through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to introduce Autodesk Vault to end users. In this 2-day course, each student will discover how to identify the Autodesk Vault features and benefits, use the Autodesk Vault client and add-in, work with non-CAD, Inventor, and AutoCAD files, search the Vault, manage Vault data using Properties, Rename Wizard, Replace Wizard, Pack and Go, and Copy Design, manage items in Bill of Materials, process changes, and customize user interface. Our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Vault functions best, giving employees the confidence to transition into the software to fulfill their daily work needs. Upon completion of our course, Vault users will gain the confidence to access and manage their project and design files, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees, and understanding how new software can and will be implemented into the daily workflow. IMAGINiT's Autodesk Vault for Inventor and AutoCAD users course equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing them with the latest and greatest in data management.